The sofa is over there. The man climbed over the fence. The lady bought a new car. I love my new job. I heard a strange sound. The music has a nice sound. Please take your seat. I am going to take a nap. This is the only one left. I have only one brother. She has a little rabbit. The little girl has the pony. I leave for work at 9. He finished his work early. I know what I will do. I know the answer. This is a quiet place. We found a new place to live. I lived there for 1 year. Their golden anniversary is this year. I live in Vancouver. They live near the lake. My friend sent me a text. He gave me some advice. I'll be back later. He hurt his back. Please give me some time. I will give you a call. Most people like fish. This is the most important part. I am very excited. It is very windy today. We can meet after work. We went home after dinner. That is the last thing to do. I have one more thing to do. I am drawing our house. Our team won the game. I just got some sad news. I just need some help. Please write your name here. We don't know his name. My credit score is very good. These are my good friends. This sentence is short. This is my last sentence. The man is walking alone. He is a lonely man. I have to think about it some more. I think that is a good idea. Please say that again. I have something to say. We had a great time. The weather is great today. I don't know where to go. Tell me where to go next. I will help you with that. I need help with finding a job. We are walking through the park. He was looking through the window. Don't add too much salt to your food. Thank you very much. Wash your hands before you eat. I saw him before the meeting. Draw a straight line. We waited in line. Turn right at the corner. You are right about this. I stayed up too late last night. I lost too much weight. I didn't mean to scare you. My kids mean the world to me. That is an old TV. He is an old man now. I don't have any plans. I can't wait any longer. We grew up in the same neighborhood. Everyone ate the same thing. Let me tell you the time. I can tell you what happened. The boy is doing his homework. The boy kicked the ball. Always follow your mother's advice. We need to follow this plan. My son came home late. My grandparents came to visit. I don't want this salad. I want to be a pilot. Let me show you around the house. I can show you on the map. I am also a singer. We also went roller skating. We sat around the table. I am just looking around. I am completing the form. The book is also in digital form. I bought 3 pairs. The 3 of us had a meeting. We work for a small company. We worked in small groups of 4. We set the table for dinner. The sun is about to set. I put some syrup on my pancake. Put some paper in the printer. This is the end of the story. The show will soon end. He does the lawn every week. He does not like to iron. I can't afford to buy another phone. My nephew is in another country. My aunt can ride very well. I am not feeling well today. The man caught a large fish. The house has a large kitchen. You must be very hungry. I must prepare your breakfast. The elephant is very big. We sat under a big tree. We will go even if it rains. We don't even have time for a break. We had such a great time at camp. They are such a happy family. I left because I was tired. He is happy because he won. Turn left at the corner. Please turn off the lamp. City Hall is 10 minutes walk from here. I will be here for an hour. Why are you so upset? Tell me why you are late. Can I ask a question? We had to ask for help. We went hiking. They went on vacation. These men are from the village. These men are longtime friends. I read before bed every night. I like to read comic books. I need to make a phone call. I need some rest. This land is for farming. The plane will land soon. The two brothers are quite different. We have different opinions about it. There is no place like home. We are relaxing at home. You seem to know about us. All of us were in agreement. We will need to move the table. He made the winning move. I think that we should try again. We like to try new foods. Be kind to older people. What kind of fruit do you like? Give me your hand. My hand is hurting. This is a beautiful picture. Take a picture of the view. I think we should try that again. I won the game again. I need to change your clothes. The weather can change quickly. I turned off the light. The plane took off. The children like to play outside. She likes to play the piano. I can spell pineapple. We can spell very well. The air is fresh. Smoke filled the air. I'm going away for a week. The boat sailed away. A tiger is an animal. A fox is a wild animal. They bought a new house. We have a beach house. You made a good point. The team scored another point. He is looking for page 9. Here is a blank page. I got a thank you letter. A is the first letter of the alphabet. My mother is kind. She called her mother. Please answer the phone. The answer is on page 10. I found my gloves. He found his father on the lawn. I need to study for the test. He likes to study history. The water is still. I am still feeling sleepy. I want to learn English. We learn new things every day. You should stop eating fast food. You should follow the recipe. Canada is a great country. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. They sailed around the world. Canada is the second largest country in the world.